Oops, right, today, still got my plaster. Today we are going to be drawing a Truffula Tree from the Lorax. Okay, those rather amazing trees. And these trees might look really simple to draw, but they're kind of a little bit tricky, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to start off, it's kind of, you've got to imagine it's sort of swirling around and it's like a wind blowing it around the edges, okay? So what we're going to do to begin with is we are going to just start off with a spike, like a really thin, sharp fin, okay? Just one like that. And then what we're going to do is we're going to kind of do another one, and then another one. And we're going to keep remembering, imagining a circle here, okay? So keep imagining a circle. Then we're going to do another one here, and another one here, okay? And then maybe another one here. And you're just gonna carry on, guys, until you get around the entire tree, okay? It's really good. You might even want to start off with a kind of very, very gentle pencil circle, maybe, okay? And they don't all have to be the same width, and they don't all have to be the same length, but they need to all be doing the same thing, so they're all kind of chasing each other, yeah, going around and around and around, and then they obviously are going to link up when you've got around the entire tree, okay? Now a few of them you can do little sort of spiky bits on the end, okay? If there's any areas where you think there's a little bit of space, you could always just add another one inside like that. So just kind of to give it more of that circular motion. If you've done any a bit short, you can always add some lines like this, okay? And all these things are going to help. A few lines like that. And they all help with this kind of idea of it swirling around. Now, the trunk of the tree is just a kind of curve, okay, that gets smaller as it goes higher. So pretty simple. We can do it coming out of some kind of bush at the bottom. Sorry for that camera wobble. And then we'll just go like that, okay, so that's the ground. And then inside the tree, you've got these kind of stripes, which are made up of little lines. Okay, and that's it. Okay, that's really it. So what I'm going to do is I am going to colour it in. We'll speed this bit up. So let's go. Guys, thank you so much for joining us today, and we would love to see some of your examples, so do send them in to gallery@artroombrighton.co.uk, and we'll see you very soon.